Hi, my name is Tatiana. I'm a server at Hardgrove. I've been in business for 15 years, going strong, still going. Our business is at 319 Grove Street at the corner of Christopher Columbus. Our restaurant is a traditional Cuban style cuisine with fresh ingredients, and we also have brunch on the weekends and a beautiful bar. My favorite dish is always going to be the ropa vieja. It's a traditional Cuban dish, and it's also made in all of the Caribbean. I love Jersey City. It's filled with culture and great people and really good energy. Our menu is online, as well as any information you might need to make a reservation or to make to-go orders. This is not just a sit-down restaurant. You can come in and take out, and you can also call and get it delivered to your house. Our hours of operation are 11 to midnight, Monday to Friday, and on Saturdays and Sundays from 8 a.m. to midnight. So come on down to Hardgrove. It's a very family-oriented and fun restaurant. You're gonna have a great time.